Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding none other than Pepe. We're going to be talking about what is happening with Pepe today, what are some next targets we could be looking at, and where the price could most likely be headed in the immediate short term. If you are enjoying these updates, guys, continue liking, commenting, and subscribing, showing your support, and I will continue making these updates for you guys. But now if we're looking at the price of Pepe right now, you guys can see there is still about 5 zeros in front of the price. We're currently sitting at 168. We're down about 9% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, also down about 10% in Bitcoin and Ethereum comparative over the last 24 hours. And if we're looking at its market cap, currently sitting at $700 million market valuation, and the 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at 306.8 million. So if we look at it from the yesterday's side of things, if you compare it to yesterday's price, we have seen, of course, a significant change within the overall buying pressure. So this is the beauty of making daily updates, because we can kind of compare side by side as to what happened yesterday and what's happening today. So it kind of makes people understand as to where the price is currently sitting at. So of course, compared to yesterday, we have seen a little bit of retracement within its price. But now comes a question that you might be thinking: is this the end? Are we about to see another massive pullback happen for the price of Pepe? So let's get right into it. Before we do that, you guys know, of course, we're going to go on Etherscan and see the holder count and see if it has changed, if it has increased or stayed the same, or it has gone down. So we can see that the holder count is increasing. It has not gone down compared to yesterday. It has grown about a couple hundred new holders, and nothing crazy, no thousands coming in, but again is a gain. That's what I want you guys to keep in mind. Of course, everyone now would probably want Pepe to be going straight to the moon, but come on guys, relax. Remember, this coin was launched still not even a month ago. It still hasn't been a month. That's going to be on Wednesday that it's going to mark its 1 year anniversary. I'm sorry, not 1 year. What am I saying? 1 month anniversary. And considering that fact, this has made some massive strides across the crypto space. So of course, consolidations are going to happen, profit taking is going to happen. After exchange listings have happened, people are going to sell the news. So we need to relax. We need to look at all these things, and before we make any sort of calls. But now, of course, before we get into the charts, you guys can see Pepe Twitter is growing at a tremendous rate. Currently sitting at 273.5k followers. So this is going at such a fast rate. I would not be surprised if in June it were to even hit a million followers, or early July, of course, if it kept growing at this current rate. But now what we're here for. We're here for the price, see what is happening, where the price could be going in the immediate short term. As always, you guys know the good old drill. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. So now if we're looking at Pepe, you can see market cap $703 million, and just on Uniswap, the overall volume is 39 million. So not bad at all. But now let's look at the chart, see what is happening and where the prices could really be headed in the immediate short term. So, once again, first what I want to do for you guys is let's go to all-time highs and let's measure from the top, not from the current level. Let's measure from its all-time high and see how much we have retraced. So we're still about, from the top, 62.18% down. So now comes the question. Now, there's a lot of people that are going to come and say, oh my God, Pepe is not mooning. Pepe is not showing us those parabolic moves it has seen earlier this month. What is going on? Guys. We need to settle down and we need to relax. Pepe has made such a massive, statement for itself. It has created the biggest meme coin market, I think, in my, again, personal opinion, that we have ever seen. And, it is seen now as the king of this meme coin market, in my opinion, because last cycle, sure, Dogecoin still was the big thing. Dogecoin, people can say Shiba Inu did it. No, Dogecoin was still the king last year. But this time around, it's totally different. All the interest, because last time Dogecoin pumped up first time ever, like to the heights that it saw. Last bull cycle. But this time around, guess what's being talked about most? It's only Pepe, and that's why I'm seeing so much significant increases within its price, in such a short period of time. And I really do believe that this is going to come knocking on the door, knock knock, for Shiba Inu. And if I bring out the measuring tool for you guys, if you picked it up at the dip, you are still up right now about 60%, guys. You're still up about 60% from that time. But now we're going to, of course, examine what exactly is happening with Pepe and where I personally could expect Pepe to really start seeing these explosive moves. But before we do that, I wanted to share this with you guys. So I went on Google Trends and I've looked at the overall search, amount of searches that are coming for Pepe coin. So of course, in a week's time, we are seeing a lower amount of searches happening as time goes by. But of course, that is to be expected. All the craziness is kind of cooled down right now, so less searches are happening. But that does not mean rocket ship has gone anywhere, and I will tell you why. So look at this, guys. Let me just bring this in for you guys so you guys can get a better picture. So look, if you watch my channel, if you watch my ladies updates or my other cryptocurrency updates, you guys are probably familiar with what I'm trying to say. So right now, what's basically happening with Pepe, which is causing the price of Pepe to not see, that $1 billion market valuation yet, is because of this. So of course, we did see after, its, low, which was around $400 million, we did see a beautiful move towards the upside. And if I bring out the measuring tool for you guys, we can see exactly it pumped up about almost 102%. So you almost doubled your money. But look where we saw a rejection. Right off the bat, we have seen a rejection at this level of resistance. And this happened even when we were on our downside. But, oh, oopsies, not that. That's not what we need. Ooh, we got kicked out. Let's go back. All right. Okay. So, we are being stopped out at this level of resistance, and this level of resistance is really important for the price of Pepe to really move towards the upside. So initially, what I'm trying to say is the price of Pepe needs to go above this level of resistance, which is still about a 24.6% move, which honestly is not a big move in my personal opinion, considering the overall buying pressure that's coming into this project, the hype factor. If we take all that factor into consideration, I could see Pepe really knocking on the door for this level of resistance, and that's where I personally think we will see something like this occur. The official next leg up confirmation again for myself would be for us to break out of here and actually close above here and start heading towards the upside. And I would really not be surprised if Pepe starts heading for its all-time highs. But this can range for a few days, but I don't know, like I would really be curious to know what is going to happen on the day of its 1 month anniversary. I mentioned this in my yesterday's update for you guys as well. What are your thoughts? Come on, let me know down in the comment section. Do you think we're about to hear an announcement come out? Do you think Pepe team is going to make an announcement? Something should happen, but again, of course, this is just speculation. No one knows what is going to happen, but I would love to know your thoughts on that. Do you expect some sort of announcement coming on that day? Let me know down below. But if we're looking at Bitcoin too, Bitcoin has gone up in the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. If it were to reclaim this spot, which is at 28,757 level, above that level of resistance, of course that is going to be a good factor for Pepe, and that could push us back above that level of resistance. So mainly, this is that level that I'm looking at. Once we crack past that, I am very confident that Pepe could make a massive move towards the upside, and we could be headed towards all-time highs. The next main target would be around this 3140 level in my personal opinion, and that would be a 90% move from the current price level. So this is my current analysis and take on Pepe. Of course, I will keep you guys updated if anything were to change, but remember guys, if you guys are seeing profits, not just referring to Pepe, if you are seeing massive profits in this meme coin market. Please guys, please lock these profits in, lock them in before someone else does it. Please lock these profits in. Remember, 99.8% of the meme coins will fail. Yes, during this bull market you might possibly making some massive gains, but 99.8% of the meme coins will fail. You know, if you like hearing that or not, I will be the one who will say it. That is how it's going to go. So lock those profits in while you can. But this is my current analysis and take on Pepe. Pepe community, let me know down below what are your thoughts and what are your personal price projections for the project. I love you all. See you tomorrow. Been Crypto ZX and peace out.